All right, so this is the first night that I got here. This is my bathroom. It's a nice size. I thought that was a bidet, but it's not. This is where I keep all the food. That's the food they gave me for that night. All my stuff in the way. Don't come for me because it's moved now. It's a refrigerator in here, but we do not have a microwave, so our food is normally cold. Um, King size bed, it's pretty comfortable. TV, I still haven't turned it on yet. I'm on like my 8th day. Desk, I use it every day. Cute color chair, and a nice view of the airport with tons and tons of cherry blossoms outside. And it's very pretty in the daytime. So, yes, that's my room. We got some more milk, water. I don't know what this is. Maybe some fish oil or fish sauce. I don't know. And some oatmeal or like porridge. It smells good. And right here we got radish, potato salad, some cucumbers, and some kind of sauce. And I do not know what this one is. I really don't know what it smells like. Like, can't pick up the scent. Just use a spoon. Oh, it's like some kind of, I don't know, there's something in it. Tastes like maybe sausage inside, some kind of meat inside, and vegetables. Some potato salad. That's good. And we've already had all these other things, so let's try this. I don't know if it's supposed to be sweet or, excuse me. I don't know if it's supposed to be sweet or like what, but let's see. It's not sweet. It kind of just tastes like white rice, kind of. And I don't know what you're supposed to put this on, but I do have some sugar. The hotel gave us sugar. So I'm gonna put sugar in this and eat it like oatmeal because that's what it's kind of tasting like. So, but that's breakfast. So we got lunch. The time is 12:15. And this is different. We've never gotten something this big before. So it looks like some sausages, maybe. This green vegetable we always get, kimchi. This looks like some vegetables. I see bean sprouts and it has some meat on top. I don't know what this is, but it has green onions in it also. This is some kind of soup. And it has something in it. I'll have to open it. I mean, you know, get it out with a spoon. Then we got some more vegetables, some corn, broccoli, cauliflower. And we got some little oranges and rice. So let's see what this is. Okay, so it's tofu in this, and also, I can get it out. I think it might be like onions, you know, those onions that you get, like dried onions. Tastes like bread, kind of, but just like in some broth. And this has, it says hot and spicy, so this is just like some mix of vegetables. I see carrots, zucchini, bean sprouts, and I don't know what this is, but I think these are those hard things. Oh no. Kind of just like meat. I don't know. Mushrooms. I don't know what this is, but it kind of looks like the inside of okra, the slimy stuff inside of okra. So let's taste it. I'm trying to think of what it tastes like. I really don't know. It doesn't really smell like anything either, but it's good. I cannot put my name on what it tastes like. And that is a fish cake. Tastes like fish. And I don't like fish like that. And some other vegetables. I'm gonna put this on here. Let me taste it first. It just tastes like red pepper paste. I'm not gonna put a lot on there because spicy here is spicy. So, and that might have been too much. We got dinner and it's leaking. Okay, so this is what we got. I think this is some chicken. Yeah, some chicken with onions. This is the rice they gave us this time. So they didn't cook us rice, we got this kind. And macaroni salad. And we got let me open it. Tofu, zucchini, I don't know. And I'm not sure what this is. It's like a piece of lettuce and maybe it's a different type of tofu. That's what it feels like. But then this is tofu. So, and I also got a little cake. And they gave me ramen. So, this is dinner. And it's 6:16, so we have dinner. And this is like similar to what we've been getting before, just like some stewed chicken. So yeah, just tastes like chicken. So that's dinner.